Web development in 2025 is a whole new game. It is no longer just about writing clean code. The landscape is defined by speed, automation, collaboration, and smart tools that give you a real edge. If you are still coding like it is 2018, you are already behind. But do not worry. Today, we are diving into the essential tools every developer needs to master in 2025 to stay competitive, productive, and profitable. Let us start with the foundation, your code editor. In 2025, Visual Studio Code continues to reign supreme, but it is not just a text editor anymore. With AI-powered extensions like GitHub Copilot X and Codeium, your editor becomes an AI coding partner. These tools auto-complete functions, explain code, and even write tests for you. For larger projects, JetBrains WebStorm 2025 stands out, offering built-in debugging, advanced TypeScript intelligence, and seamless integration with cloud workflows. Your editor is now your smartest teammate. Artificial intelligence is not replacing developers, it is supercharging them. Tools like Amazon Code Whisperer, ChatGPT 5 plugins, and Tabnine help you generate boilerplate code in seconds. But AI in 2025 goes beyond just writing code. Platforms like DeepCode AI and Snyk AI automatically scan your commits for vulnerabilities before you deploy. This means less time fixing bugs and more time building features. AI is now your silent partner, catching issues before they become problems and accelerating your workflow at every step. Frameworks are evolving fast. Next.js 15 continues to dominate with its server components and full-stack flexibility, making it a top choice for modern web apps. Remix and Qwik are gaining traction for their lightning-fast rendering capabilities. When it comes to styling, Tailwind CSS remains essential, but now it is often paired with AI-powered UI generators like Qwik or Locify. These tools can turn wireframes into working components instantly, letting you move from design to development at record speed. Every successful developer in 2025 lives in GitHub, but the platform has evolved. With GitHub Copilot Chat integrated directly into pull requests, code reviews are smarter and more efficient than ever. Platforms like Linear and ClickUp DevHub now combine sprint planning, bug tracking, and code commits into a single workflow, reducing wasted time switching between apps. For remote-first teams, tools like Tuple and Code Together enable real-time pair programming experiences without lag, making collaboration seamless no matter where you are. Continuous integration and continuous deployment, or CI/CD, is non-negotiable in 2025. Tools like GitHub Actions, Circle CI, and Vercel Edge Deploy make testing and deployment seamless and reliable. Edge computing is now huge, so deploying applications closer to users with Cloudflare Workers or Vercel Edge functions ensures sub-second response times globally. For testing, Playwright has taken over from Selenium, automating cross-browser testing faster and smarter, so your apps work perfectly everywhere. Databases in 2025 are all about serverless scalability. Supabase and PlanetScale are leading the way, while Neon is the rising star, bringing Postgres to the cloud with auto-scaling. Paired with object relational mappers like Prisma, back-end development feels faster, safer, and more intuitive. If you are exploring AI integrations, vector databases like Pinecone and Weaviate are must-learn for building search and recommendation systems that feel truly intelligent. The most underrated tools are the ones that keep you focused and organized. In 2025, top developers swear by Raycast or Warp Terminal for blazing fast commands. Documentation tools like Notion AI and Obsidian make knowledge sharing seamless. And if you are freelancing or running an agency, project management meets finance with Trello AI or Monday Dev Pro, helping you scale both your code and your business. So here is the bottom line. Success in web development in 2025 is about leveraging the right tools to move faster, collaborate better, and build smarter. Which of these tools are you already using, and which one blew your mind? Drop a comment below, hit that like button, and subscribe for more faceless deep dives into the tools shaping the future of tech.